Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about WP Rocket WordPress plugin. So with the help of this plugin you will be able to accelerate your website and boost up your loading time and the page optimization. This is a very helpful plugin when it comes to SEO. Let me show you the sales page of this plugin. If you click on the sales page, it will redirect you to the official website of WP Rocket, right? And if you scroll down, you will see a lot of things like page caching, caching preload, static file compression, and image on request. There are a lot of things to do with this plugin. And if you go to the pricing section, you will be able to see what are the pricing. If you want to buy this for a single website, you can always get it for $49. And unlimited website, it will cost you for $249. Okay, but the same plugin you can get at a really affordable price, like for $10 on our website. I will just download it from here. Click on download now and download will start automatically. As you can see, it has been started. Let's wait how much time it takes. Okay, I'll just see where it is downloaded. It's downloaded on the download folder, and let me check. Okay, so now it's time to upload this particular plugin on our website. So for demo purpose, I will use one of my website, which is like a burger website, whatever you can call it. Okay, so we'll try to install that particular plugin on our website. So first of all, you need to log into your backend. So you need to log into your backend, and to do that, you need to type WP admin just after your URL, WP admin, and hit enter. You will be redirected to your dashboard, or basically I should say it as a backend. And if you're logging in for the first time, you might be asked for your username or password which you have entered while you were installing WordPress. Okay, so once you are here under the appearance section, or I should say like a plugin section, you have to add a new plugin. Click on add new, and here by default there are a lot of plugins, right? If you go in popular section, you will see there are a lot of plugins which are helpful for your website. Plugin basically increase the functionalities of your website, like Yoast SEO also help in SEO perspective of your website. And these are the free plugins, but the thing is their premium version is also available. Free plugin gives you a lot of features, but the thing is some of the key features they put it in the premium version, and so that it is also kind of limited version. Okay, so WP Rocket doesn't have any kind of free version, so we need to download or buy it online always. So we will just try to upload the file. Click on choose file, and it was on the download section, WP Rocket, and click on install. Installation process totally depend upon your internet speed. Mine is working on live server. So in the meantime, let's check what is the speed of our website currently. So I will use a GT matrix. Okay, it will give you the approx speed time and page load time of your website. Let's see what is the speed time of your website. It will take like a couple of seconds. You just have to wait for it. And in the meantime, as you can see, plugin has been uploaded successfully. Let me click on activate, and it will be activated in couple of seconds. As always, GT matrix is always scanning. And let me close the other things. As you can see, so as you can see, WP, where is that? WP Rocket has been successfully activated on our website. Let's check what is the speed of our website. Okay, as you can see, it is like 3.3 seconds, and I'm pretty sure if I remove that particular plugin from our website, if I remove that WP Rocket from our website, the speed time, page full load time will increase. Let me show you. If I deactivate it, let's skip that and deactivate, and let's again reload this, and let's again do the same matrix. Okay, let me go and let me scan this, and you will get a rough idea that just by installing that plugin, what are the page boost-ups and the page performance increases, right? It might take like couple of seconds. Let's wait and let's see. Like for right now, the full load time is 3.3 second, and total page size is 3.22 MB, right? And requests are 84, and page score and your score are like pretty low. As you can see, this is the result when we install WP Rocket, right? I'll just activate, and we will see the matrix one by one. Now we have to figure it out and configure the WP Rocket. Click on WP Rocket, and we need to change some settings, right? In the dashboard we don't have to change anything. Come to caches, and here there's nothing to be changed. And here the file optimization section, here you have to click minify HTML, remove queries, and under the CSS section you need to click on minify CSS file, and this will ask you for the confirmation. Click on activate minify CSS and combine CSS, activate. Just follow my steps, your website will be optimized automatically, right? And the JavaScript section, as you can see here, the main problem are with the JavaScript section also, right? If you can see inline small JavaScripts at this, we'll just try to optimize everything. Okay, just activate everything here, load JavaScript. Okay, we are done with this section, and click on save changes, and this might be changed automatically. We need to no worry about it. And after the file optimization, we need to come to the media section, and here we need to click on enable for images. So basically this will automatically only optimize those images which are on the front page. Like if you have multiple images on, if when you scroll down, that images won't load until and unless you scroll down, right? So you need to enable this also. And embeds, disable this for WordPress, and WP enable this as well. Activate and save all these settings. So for me, these are my personal settings which I always recommend every person, right? And let's come back to our website, and let's try to get a matrix again, right? If I show you, let's wait and let's see what are the matrix which we get. Like right now it's 3.3 second, and this. So as you can see, load time has been decreases, and the page speed score is also decreases. This is the basic result between the first search and the last result. So it's totally upon you. If you go on YouTube and try to play with all the settings, you will definitely get a good results in the SEO optimization. So that's all for this video. I really hope you really like this video. I just want to say that if you want to buy this plugin, the link will be in the description. You can always come to this link and buy it anyways. Okay, and if you are a WordPress developer who develops WordPress website in a regular basis as a freelance, you can always check out our membership plan. And with the help of membership plan, you will get a lot of benefits. Let me explain you. Like if you took the lifetime plan, you will be able to download 5,400 items per year, which is totally insane, right? Okay, I admit that the price range is pretty high, but if you like starting in this industry, you can always get a monthly plan for $29, and that is one of the best plan if I'm not wrong, because with the help of this plan, you will be able to download 300 items per month, which is also good, right, in the initial stage. So that's all about this video. I want to wrap this video up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.